Welcome to Foxtecc. If your iPad screen keeps turning off by itself, it's because of a setting that controls screen timeout. Whether you're reading, watching something, or using your iPad for work, having the screen go dark when you don't want it to can be annoying. Here's how to fix it. First, open Settings on your iPad. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. In this menu, find Auto Lock and set it to Never. This will prevent the screen from turning off automatically, so it stays on until you press the power button. If this option is grayed out, it's likely because low power mode is enabled. To check that, go to Settings, then Battery, and turn off low power mode. This mode is designed to save battery by reducing background activity, and one of its effects is forcing the screen to turn off quicker than usual. Once you disable it, go back and set auto lock to never again if needed. Another setting that can cause unexpected screen dimming or turning off is auto brightness. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size, and turn off auto brightness. This prevents your iPad from adjusting the screen brightness based on lighting conditions, which can sometimes make the screen dim or turn off when you don't want it to. If the screen still turns off automatically after changing these settings, restart your iPad. A restart helps apply changes properly and clears any minor glitches that might be causing the issue. Once your iPad turns back on, check if the problem is fixed. That's it for this one. Hopefully, this helped you keep your iPad screen on without interruptions. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more useful iPad tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.